Go ahead.
Hello, this is Pat O'Connor with O'Connor & Associates, and this is one of a series of videos on the Texas property tax calendar. This video addresses tax roll certification. What does that mean and why is it important? Well, tax roll certification is essentially the completion of the hearing process so the tax roll can be sent to the tax entities so they can determine the tax rate. So after the appraisal district has sent the notices of assessed value, received protests, held the hearings, and completed 95% of the value, which they're required to do by July 25th, the appraisal district sends the tax rolls to each of the tax entities. And for reference, there are more than 500 tax entities in Harris County. So there's 500 tax entities that are eagerly awaiting the tax roll to see how much their taxes will be if they don't change the tax rate. And then if the tax roll is less than expected, they determine whether or not they want to increase the tax rate. And conceptually, if the tax roll is higher than they expected, they might possibly, well, it's possible, consider to reduce the tax rate. Not that that happens very often. And the importance of the tax roll certification is the tax entities can't determine the tax rate until they get the tax roll, and they can't send the tax bills until they determine the tax rate. So it's certification, determining the tax rate, sending the tax bill, and then getting the money. And taxes, property taxes, are generally due by January 31st, or there is a meaningful penalty. So make sure that your property taxes are paid by January 31st to avoid any penalties.